The short answer is yes. Deleting apps can save lots of storage space. Let me prove it to you. If you go into the settings and then scroll down on the main settings page to get the general, and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, you'll see up here the breakdown of what's taking up storage, including apps, but we're not worried about that right now. We're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to see all the apps on our phone and how much space they take. This is the files of the apps plus the app size itself. So if we tap into any one of these, like iMovie for example, we see the app size is 673.4 megabytes, and the documents and data is 216.4 megabytes. The documents and data are things like movies that you're working on your phone. If you want to delete the app, you'll save all this space. You get all the space back. If you just offload the app, you will keep the documents and data, but delete the app itself, which you can then install again in the future, and you have all your documents and data safe and sound. You can pick up where you left off. And as you scroll through this list, you'll see that some apps are space hogs and others aren't. So you can decide which ones you want to keep, which ones you don't, and you can save a lot of space that way. You can also use a feature called Offload Unused Apps. This allows iPhone to delete any apps that you haven't used in a certain time period. It keeps the data for those apps, so when you reinstall it, you'll have all the data you had there before. It just deletes the app. So for me currently, I can save up to 7 gigabytes of space just by offloading apps I haven't used lately, which I think is a lot of space. And that's super easy to enable. Just tap on enable, got a little check mark there, and it's on. And you can offload unused apps. Now when I leave this storage space, this will be gone, or it's gone already. So we can't turn off offloading unused apps here. We have to go to where that setting is in the iPhone settings if you want to turn that off. To find that, go back all the way to the general, or to the main settings list, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps, and then tap on App Store, and then somewhere in here, there it is, offload unused apps is currently turned on. You can turn that off again in the future if you want to. And if you want to find even more space, then you should clean the trash bins on your phone next. This video shows you where they are and how to clean them. If you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.